Well, hello everybody. My name is Day tonight, and yeah, there's a little problem with the upgrade that we just received from Bethesda Evils. I don't know why they had to choose that name. Anyways, all right. So, my issue is that I'm a chainsaw person. I use the chainsaw all the time. I have two chainsaws on me at this moment. I have that one, which is because it was a gift, and then I have this one, which I use. One is healthy, so it has the vampires mod on it, and this one is extra intelligence. Now you hear it here, and you don't hear it here, or it does not work either. Like, you know, I can't do anything. I don't know if it's because of one of the mods that's on it. Oops. Wrong one. I forgot, but it's not. Give me a second. It's supposed to be in number 6. See. Alrighty. Where are you? There you are. Okay. So 6 and 1. Okay. So 1 is my favorite one. This is me clicking on. Okay. Clicking on the mouse button that it's not working. And if I go to 6, it still does not work. I go to 4. Clickety click, 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 click. Go to 6. Still does not work. Go back to 1. It does not work. It does work periodically. So if I teleport away from here, see, I won't be able to do anything much. He'll beat me up. I don't like being beat up, but it's only for... Hey. Hey, come on. Okay, number 6. Number 6. Now. Fine. Gun out here and hit you. Come on. Thank you. Okay, what about you two? Yeah. Are you here, Joe? Let me just get rid of your leg here. Said you're late. Thank you very much. They get you late too. Hey! Don't cheat. Come here. Thank you. Okay, so I do have other characters that I play with guns with, but this is not one of them. He's my first character I ever created. He is the chainsaw master. Wait, he's the chainsaw master. And we're not supposed to be using guns, even though we look like a little frickin', you know, criminal. Don't mind me. Like, I do love guns, like in games. But yeah, I and now that that's done, I can use it again. See, it's not good. Anyways, I just wanted to explain this so that Bethesda knows about it, so that they have a video that goes along with it. It seems to be a big problem here. Constant. Oh wait, I didn't grab my other thing. That might help, but first I'm gonna keep this chainsaw on. We're gonna stick with the video until I get this done to see if it stops while working. Because, you know, that will happen. Okay, I can 39 this one. Okay, 57 this way. I don't normally do this daily. Just for some reason my other dailies are not coming up. What? Oh, did I hear dead? Did I hear dead people? Hi. Okay, so now it's working. But the moment that I teleport out, it won't. It won't work. Enemies, where are you? Oh, lordy, they want me up there. I'm so lazy, I'll jump my way up there. Alright, so we found the thing. We can still do this. Let's see if we can kill some people first. Or some mutants. Where are you? I know you're around here somewhere. There you are. We'll, oh, maybe not jump down so hard. Oh well, we broke a leg. Oh no, we broke a leg. Okay, where are you? Hey. Hey, you disappeared somewhere. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh well. Let's... Sorry, I stopped the smell of flowers. And pick them too. Okay, I hear you. Are you in here? Oh. Did that work? Let's go to 6. We've changed. Oh, it's not working anymore. How about 1 again? No. Oh, that was something else. Okay, let's... Are you still alive? Good. Okay, so he's still alive there. Let's see if we can we switch back? And... Okay, I got a claw. Let's swing around a claw a couple of times. Let's go back to 6. Let's go back to 1. Let's try to select it through here. Hey, did you just heal yourself, you little fucker? No? Oh, look at you breaking. Hey, hey! Well, I had to get rid of you. Oh, there's somebody else. Oh, you're upstairs. Well, let me come for you. Well, thank God you blew up over there. Okay. Oh, look at you now. I was trying to see if I could break his arm. I can't. No, you can't. Legs, yes. Arms, no. You probably could. I'm just not good at it. Legs are so much bigger. Oh, there you are. Anyone else? Yeah. So, the conclusion of this video is that the chainsaw is not working. So, when you played around with the sound or something like that, you screwed other things up. Thanks, Bethesda.